food store in Lebanon, and then Hamas saying that a number of its senior figures were killed in Israeli airstrikes in Gaza yesterday. And of course, Hamas also said yesterday they've been involved in a bomb attack in Tel Aviv on Sunday. So I think where you are, there's no doubt that Joe Biden, Kamala Harris would love to get a deal through while the Democratic convention is going on, certainly before the election. But I don't think there's any real feeling that the key players in the region here are working to the same timetable.
John Donaldson, thank you, Winston. Thank you.
20-7, let's have a look at the papers, and the dominant story across the UK front pages is Mike Lynch and 5 others being missing after the capsizing and sinking of that yacht off the coast of Sicily. Vindicated tech baron Lynch missing after luxury yacht goes down off Sicily is the Financial Times' headline. The Times saying rescuers are indicating it is unlikely that more survivors will be found, and it seems that Mike Lynch's wife told doctors that she and her husband woke at 4 a.m. to the boat tilting and the sound of shattering glass. The cause thought to be something called a water spout, a rare but increasingly common phenomenon in the Mediterranean, the Times says. These intense weather events which appear as whirling columns of air and mist are tornadoes that are formed over the sea, and the Times also talks about concern about Mediterranean hurricanes linked to rising temperatures caused